Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we have got a subscription box unboxing. I'm super excited for this one because this is a USA subscription box. So for all you lovely ladies in the US, this is definitely one for you. Equally, you can get this in the UK, so if you do really like it, you can definitely subscribe, and they do ship internationally. So if you're new here and you haven't seen one of my videos before, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I know I have lots of new subscribers at the moment, and it's really just lovely to welcome you into my cozy little family, and I just want to send you all a big hug and thank you so much for watching and all your support. And for those of you that come back all the time, I'm sending you a hug too because you're amazing. So the company that I'm talking about is called mintMONGOOSE. They're a jewellery subscription box, which I really like that idea. I think it's really fun way to explore different jewellery pieces and to try different things and accessories, and is a bit more lifestyle orientated. They do two different subscription services. One is so the first subscription box they do is $12 and you pay shipping on top. In that one you get 3 pieces of exclusive jewellery, which is either gold or silver, based on your preferences. You get an awesome free gift every 3 months, so it might be things like sunglasses or something like that, yeah, they ship everywhere, and I think the recommended retail value of each box is $40. The second subscription service, which is mintMONGOOSE Black, is $22.99, and with that one you get free shipping if you are in the US, so that's cool. And with that one you get 4 pieces every month, which has a retail value of $55, I think. And with that one, again, you can choose whether it's gold or silver. You can choose whether you want earrings or no earrings. You can choose whether you would like to receive a watch. You also get 2 free accessories, one which you get to pick, and one which is a surprise. And then you get an epic free gift every 3 months. So they're saying things like headphones or socks or sunglasses again. So yeah, I think I personally would go for the $22 one, but yeah, I think they are really, really cool. So your first box gets shipped within 24 hours of when you place your order, but your next box comes out on the 15th of each month. So you kind of know you're going to get it roughly in the middle of each month. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. So it's just a little pillow box with embossed card, and then it's got this cute little ribbon, and then it's got like a little wax seal on it. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, I love it. It's so adorable. I actually have a wax seal making kit, and none of my kits make stamps that are that cute, so very impressed. Yeah, and then to open it you just break the wax seal, but I don't want to do that because I think it's really pretty, so I've actually cut the back of my ribbon just so we can get into the box. So mintMONGOOSE contacted me recently and asked me whether I'd like to review their box for you, and I said yes because I like jewellery. Lots and lots and lots. So when you open it up, you get a Werther's original. Very handy to have a little snack, pop in your handbag, and you get a cute little card, that one there, and it just says thank you on it, and just tells you a little bit about their social media. I will link all the information about how to subscribe to them and where to find out more information all about the subscription service down below in my comment box. And then you get in a little tissue paper, a little bag of goodies. So here we go. So the first piece that I've pulled out has got a little mintMONGOOSE card on it with a little brag through it, and it says on the back, spend $40 in our individual items. Oh yeah, they've got an online shop as well. And you'll receive your next box free. So if you spend $40 with them on mintmongoose.com, you will get a subscription box for free, which is amazing. So let's open these up. So I opted to go for earrings because I like earrings. Okay, and there we go. So I've had the, oh my gosh, they've even got the Mint Mongoose stamped on the back. That is awesome. So let me just see if I can show you this. This is how amazing they are with their branding. I think it's fantastic. So on the back there you can just see with the earring that there is a little mongoose. Oh, love it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop these in, let you know how comfy they are. Yeah, so they are really good quality. Of the earrings have got like the plastic back and then they've got the metal bit through them, so I'm quite impressed with that. There we are. Cute, they are cute, and you could either wear them as like diamonds, like that, or you could wear them square. I actually don't own any other green jewellery, so this is really snazzy. And they're just kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, like sort of like frosted stones. Super pretty. Okay, so the next piece I have is exactly the same on the card again, but this time it is a necklace, and this matches the earrings. Ooh, and it's got a really long counterbalance on the back as well, actually. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's just there, has got a little like Mint Mongoose charm on the end. I really like their branding. I think the branding is really strong. Here we go. Just, so that's the piece there. Really pretty. It's really delicate, and I think, do you know what, that would make a really nice either evening or day piece. It is quite long, but because you've got the counterbalance, you can adjust the length. You can push it back on your shoulders and the counterbalance will hold that, so that's really okay. And the third piece, oh, it's lovely. I really like this. Here we go. So it's this beautiful, big, bold, coloured glass. It's almost like it's got like dye inside it or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's just like a cut glass red pendant. Really long. It's a very long. I can get this over my head without having to do it up. I'm just gonna move the camera back slightly so you can see how far that comes down on me. I'm quite tiny. They do look nice layered together, actually. Maybe not with this top, but oh, do you want to sit backwards? Let's put you on the other way then. There we go. So you've got that one there. And that just kind of sits almost in between my bra, and then you've got that one. It's really pretty too. Oh. So yeah, that is this month's subscription box. They've got an amazing little shop on their website as well, where you can get lots of different pieces, and as I said, if you do spend over $40, you can get a free subscription box, so that might be worth having a look at. So yeah, I thank you very much, Mint Mongoose, for letting me try your subscription box and have a few new lovely little pieces to show off to people. I think it would make a fantastic gift if you knew somebody who loved jewellery. If you had a friend or a family member and you wanted to give them a gift, signing up to Mint Mongoose for a 3-month subscription would be a really nice way for them to enjoy their passion and get some nice new pieces for their collection. So I think that would be definitely something that would appeal to somebody who loved jewellery. As I said, for me, I do love jewellery. I just don't have very much time for it in my life, and that is quite nice when you do have a subscription box, because you know, you don't have to think about it. Someone just sends you some pieces and you get to try them with different outfits that you've got. But if you really like jewellery, I know there are some of my subscribers out there in the US that do. You know I'm talking to you, don't you? I know you do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what your thoughts are on Mint Mongoose, whether it's something that you would try or not. Equally, if you are interested in seeing some more reviews, go and check these two out. So my friends Lucy and Michelle, they also received Mint Mongoose subscription boxes this month, and I'm going to link their videos because I know their views are slightly different to mine. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!